This is the DEERC Challenger 2104. Always make sure you have the propeller working in the rudder and double check before you throw it in the water. This has self-righting. You want to keep clear of the propeller. We're going to go have some fun. Now we're ready to go. Here we are. Now I could go a great distance all the way out, and if I lose control, I'll start to walk near it. I'm going to turn around because I can't go any further than those poles there. It's hard to see. And what you want to do is look for the rooster tail. They have LEDs for low light nighttime, and here we are. This boat can go up to 30 miles per hour. This is salt water. It's choppy, and that's the speed of the boat at full throttle. You can see it jumping, making the turn, and it's skipping along the water. It makes a nice little wake, loads of fun. Right over there, the boat did a little flip, and we'll come over here nice and close and give you a little bit of a figure eight. Now, if we long press the button over here in the center, what's going to happen is the boat's going to do a circle until you hit the control. It stops. That is called a demonstration mode. Also, a short press will get the light. You can hear the engine. I'll keep nice and quiet. Now, this will last up to 15 minutes. It's got a water-cooled electronics inside. It pumps out the water through the side, gets it from underneath the boat, and it's just a ton of fun on the water. We'll come and pick it up. We have reverse. And we'll throw it back out again. As we throw it, it self-uprights. And off we go. The boat can run during winter, run during summer, run all year round. Just keep the batteries warm before you bring it out during winter. But wait a second, 18650s are not like light boats. Enjoy the fun. Give you a nice run along the side of the shallow water. I do want to be careful. There are some rocks when the tide gets low, and I'll probably hit it. When this thing starts to get low on battery power, you'll hear the transmitter. It'll beep, 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 beep. Bring it back in. You'll also notice the speed start to go down, and that's when it's time to bring it in. It's just skipping. Look at that. Now, if you're pretty good enough and you skip along and you let go, you can get this boat to submerge. After your fun is over, get a little fresh water, wipe it down, clean it up. Get a little bit of lubrication like WD-40, silicone, spray the boat. That's the maintenance all you need to do, and you have loads of fun for a long period of time. If you ever get stuck out in the ocean or the water or the lake and you don't have a backup boat, That's the only problem. You'll just wait and wait and wait. Get yourself a second one. Make it a recovery boat. Oop, I did a 360 there. A little rough water. Oh man, this is loads of fun. Skip, 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 skip. Off she goes. Now I am blowing downwind and I'm going to come up against wind. Constant full throttle. Whoa, what a jump, what a skip. Single-handedly, meant for a medium-sized hand, a large hand, extra large hand. It's got no problem controlling this boat. Let go and do a little turn. This thing will turn on a dime. Now once you get going, it's gonna go up to 30 or 30 plus miles per hour. That'd be knots per hour. Got little stabilizers on the bottom. He's got little angles on the side, so it makes those cuts for you. I am mostly ready to bring it on in because I know the low voltage is going to be cutting soon. Nice little rooster tail, 1.5 to 2 feet up by 4 feet in the distance. If you go too far, it'll cut out and slow down. It won't come back. You have to walk towards it. So that's why you don't go out in a great distance of the water. Always keep it nearby and you have loads of fun. Look at the rooster tail. Know your direction. Get a spare battery, make a spare battery. It's slowing down in the speed. All right, the speed is slowing down just a little. You may not see it slowing down. I do. I did about 15 runs. Loads of fun. Hours of fun. Not a single issue. I had a single issue. Salt water on the motor. Made it just a little sticky. Just moved the motor and it freed up instantly. Little choppiness, you won't be able to make that rounded turn. Getting ready for it to cut down. We're all the way out there. And we'll bring it on in. There we go. Cut power. Bring it on in. Hear it beeping, telling you it's time to come in. That's the fun. There's no shut off, so please be careful of the back propeller. And you're going to take everything apart. You can shut your transmitter to save your batteries. And you're going to take off these two little things. and that'll get you into the motor compartment. I mark my area down so I know my arrows, which way they face. My door was almost open. You want to make sure those tabs are facing correctly. And you do your best, and I'm single-handedly disconnecting. When the battery's removed, you can see there's no water inside. There may be a drop of water at a given time. That is the DEERC Challenger 2104.